Then the other services by a person located in non-taxable territory to a person located in taxable territory will be under RCM, right? So basically import of services will come under RCM if your supplier is outside India and you are in India and you're receiving any services, it is an import of service and RCM is applicable. And the next is sponsorship services. So any person, the supplier can be any person, but the recipient should be body corporate or partnership firm. So if I am a recipient of sponsorship and I am a body corporate or I'm a firm, only then sponsorship will work. Only then RCM will work. Sorry. Advocate or rent a cab, what is the RCM rate? So rent a cab, if you want it under RCM, it should not be 12%, so it should be 5%. And advocate is 18%. The freight of exempted goods, or it doesn't matter. So if the certain freight is actually exempted under the notification 12 of 2017, if it comes under that, then it is the RCM itself is exempted. Satyendra ji. So voiceover artist for podcast, very interesting. So. So whether that comes under original works or not is again case to case basis. So as you can see over here, it should be for original works. So original dramatic music or artistic works. So again, it's case to case basis. If you think if it falls under the definition of original works, then RCM might be applicable. Meaning of body corporate means companies are essentially companies under Companies Act 2013. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. We can keep the Q&A session little later. So insurance, we saw, yeah, sponsorship, and then is services by a director of a company to the company. So here, very important to be noted, there have been multiple advance rulings also recently specifying when RCM is applicable for a director and when it is not. So if your director is an employee and he should be an employee, and in the books of account, his salary comes under, booked as salaries expenses, and you are paying TDS under 192, then it is a salary as an employee, and it is not applicable to GST at all because it comes under Schedule 3. So that's why it is not applicable. Any other case, it will fall under RCM. Okay. Services by director, sir, there will be non-executive directors for whom you might be paying commission or something, or sitting fees to pay to non-executive directors who are not employees. Then that might come under RCM. Applicability of RCM to housing society. Sir, it depends, sir. I mean, whether you're not housing society doesn't matter. If you're registered under GST and you're procuring these kind of notified goods or services, then RCM will be applicable. Can we claim the RCM paid or restricted on certain RCM? So any RCM that you have paid will be eligible except for those that are specified in section 17.5. So you have to see section 17 subsection 5 also before taking credit of RCM. Uma Maheshwaran sir, sitting charges, yes sir, that will come under RCM. Can GTA go with 5 and 12% at the same time? No sir, any one only. 5% without ITC, 5% with ITC, any one only. Yes, paid RCM late, whether liable to interest. Yes, sir, if you have paid RCM late, then the interest will be applicable at 18% as usual, as per section 50 subsection 1. So if there's any RCM that you have paid late, then you have to pay with interest at 18%. Okay. And next is security services. So someone was asking whether security services RCM is applicable. Yes, it is applicable if if the recipient is a registered person and the supplier is a person other than body corporate. So if the supplier is an individual or a firm, anyone other than a company, and the registered and the service is given to a registered person, then RCM is applicable. And the other two things are about agent of business correspondent and service of lending of securities. Right. So this is the goods and services notified under section 9(3).
Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotax help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotax from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotax. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotax. In just 2 minutes, Optotax fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotax, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotax now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2way. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotax. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you are not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotax. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotax.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotax. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotax. This is the software link, https://gst.optotax.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotax. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.